Uh, look at that. Wait lang, lapit lang para sa... Yan! Thumbnail! Excuse me, ma'am! What's up, guys? It's me, Bosh Boss. Welcome back for another video of short creepy stories in Roblox. And let's go! Let's go! Wala na patagal-tagal. Let's go agad. Let's go. Nope. Pasa ko dyan, sir. Ma'am? Huwag mong sinisira yung bintana! Ano, tingnan ganyan, baka akitan kita dyan. Kung pwede lang.